Greetings world, we are Anonymous. This is a message to remind you of something very important. Please listen, share and exercise the information that is about to be told in this video. For too long we have been lied to and tricked. This is a call on every human being to begin using their real rights. The law of the land, known as common law, is the very foundation of your freedom. The laws of the land are very different from the statutes and acts passed by Parliament. Statutes and acts require you to consent to them before they can apply to you. For example, if you do not choose to pay council tax, there is no law being broken. Only legislation which has been passed by Parliament, and Parliament legislation can only apply to you if you choose to allow it to apply to you. Common law overrules statutes and acts because statutes and on your person. The person by definition of Black's law is not a real thing. It's fictional. You are a human being, not a person. The person is the property of a corporation. So how do you apply common law? It begins with your right to remain silent. You will always be asked to give your name. By giving your name you consent and enter into a contract. Example: interaction with the police should always be on your terms. When you are approached, tell them you claim common law jurisdiction and ask if they are under oath. The police are there to uphold common law under oath. Police or any magistrate going against their oath is an offense, and not being under oath gives them no power at all. Now if you do not give your name to the police, you deny them jurisdiction over you, so the police are instantly stumped when trying to impose a statute or act on you. They will then try and tell you it's an offense not to give your name. It is not an offense. Ask what law is being broken and do not give them your name. The police will only be able to name acts or statutes. You then remind them that they are to uphold common law and that you do not consent to these statutes or acts, so therefore they do not apply to you. The police will no doubt try again by naming acts or statutes and asking if you understand. Which bylaw means do you stand under? Reply no. Now at this point two things can happen. 1. They realize you are correct and will stop bothering you. Or 2. They will attempt to arrest you. If you feel this is where the route is heading, tell them that this is now harassment and that you can pursue charges against the individuals themselves for that and against the policeman for not upholding common law under oath. Tell them they are intimidating you and that you feel threatened. If they then continue and arrest you, do not give them any information about you. Tell them that they will find all your laws in your claim of right. Sign nothing and say nothing other than, "You will find all my laws in my claim of right." You will be released without charge within 24 hours of entering the police station. That is just one example of how you can be free and use common law to stop the government imposing inhuman acts on you and others that are unlawful. You can claim common law in any court and continue down this path and take it well beyond the police. Learn the law, not the legislation. Legislation is not law. Please look this up for yourself. You are being fraudulently made to pay council tax, mortgages, parking fines, road tax, and the list goes on and on and on. Please educate yourself. This is your defense against the corruption. Google the Magna Carta, lawful rebellion, common law, and law of the land. Also get a copy of Black's Law Dictionary so you comprehend the difference between law words and English words with the same spelling. Many words have completely different meanings from what you think. The revolution is here. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.